Hi, I am Ankita. Today I will explain my code of robot. This line includes a directive to include the system namespace which contains fundamental types and classes for basic programming and tasks such as output or input operations. Enum directions which includes north, south, east, west. This defines an enumeration type named direction with four members: north, east, south and west. Enums are used to represent a group of named constants. Now this is a class program. This is the declaration of a class named program. Classes are fundamental building blocks of C# programs. Static void main. This is the entry point of the program. Its method named main, which serves as the starting point for the execution of the program. It's marked as static because it belongs to the class itself rather than an instance of the class. It returns void, meaning it doesn't return any value. Console.writeLine that prints a prompt asking the user to enter the map size to the console. Now, int grid size. This line reads the user's input from the console and converts it to an integer. It assigns the result to the variable grid size, which represents the size of the grid. Next line prints the user to enter their x coordinate, and this line reads the user's input for the x coordinate from the console and converts it to an integer. It assigns the result of the variable current x. And this line prints to enter their y coordinate. This line reads the user's input for the y coordinate from the console and converts to an integer. It assigns the result to the variable current y. This prints the user to enter their initial direction, north, south, east or west, and after that this line reads the user's input for the initial direction from the console, converts it to an direction enum type and assigns the result to the variable current direction. Now this line reads the user's input for the initial direction from the console, converts to an direction enum type and assigns the result to the variable current direction. And this line prompts the user to choose between moving or exiting the program, and which includes left, right or move. Either you can exit the program. The code continues with a while loop that listens for user input and adjusts the position based on the chosen direction until the user decides to exit the program. Now we will see their output. We will enter here. Now I will enter the map size. Let's take it is 30. X coordinate is 12. Y coordinate is 16. And let us take a direction. It's north. And I want to move the robot. So here you can see coordinates are 12 and 17. The next map size is 32. X coordinate 14. Y coordinate 18. and the direction east. I want to move the robot again is on east side. So here coordinates are 15 and 18. Next we will take map size is 20, x coordinate is 10, y coordinate is 9, and the direction let us take south. I want to move the robot again and the coordinates here are 10 and 8. Map size we will take 26, x coordinate is 13, y coordinate 10, and the direction is west. Again we will move the robot and the coordinates are 12 and 10. Now again, if map size is 12, x coordinate is 8, y coordinate is 3, direction is any like north, and if we want to exit this program then enter the exit.